Hello, everyone. If you're ready to move beyond the basics and build something truly high end, you're in the right place because today we're going to have a quick tour of the Wix Studio Editor. Let's dive in. The canvas, your central workspace. The first thing you'll notice is the canvas. This is your stage or page. Unlike other editors, the Studio canvas is fully responsive by default. As you resize the window, you'll notice your elements scale beautifully as well. You can also use advanced CSS grids to lock your elements into place, ensuring your layout stays exactly how you intended. Next, let's talk about the inspector panel, the brain of your design. Here on the right, you'll see a panel, which is called the Inspector panel. This is where the real magic happens. In the Inspector panel, we have three tabs. The first tab is the Design tab. This is where you control every detail from sizing and docking to margins and padding. Next, we have the Interactions tab. This lightning bolt icon is where you can add hover effects or a scroll animation. You'll find all those professional tools right here. And then we have the CMS Connection tab. This is where you can connect a section element to a data set from your content management system collections, so you can build your section or page efficiently and quickly. Next, let's talk about breakpoints. At the top of your editor, you'll see the breakpoints. This is how you ensure your site looks stunning on desktop, tablet, and, of course, mobile devices. The good thing about this is that when you make a change on the desktop view, it immediately flows down to your smaller screens. However, if you want a different look just for your mobile site, you can jump into that breakpoint and make your adjustments without affecting the desktop version. Finally, let's talk about layers and assets. On the left-hand side, you have your layers and assets panel. The Layers tab gives you a clear tree view of every element on your page, no more trying to find a hidden text box. Let's also talk about the Global Sections tab. This is where you can create sections like headers or footers and save them to use across your entire site, so you can change it once and it updates everywhere. All of those changes will automatically update everywhere the global page is in. The studio editor might look complex at first, but once you start moving elements around, you'll see how much freedom it actually gives you. And there you have it, a quick tour of Wix Studio and the awesome things you can do here. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.